Nothing is more frustrating in 3D printing than this. You start a print, everything looks perfect, you go to sleep, and when you wake up after 6 or 10 hours, the print is completely ruined. Spaghetti everywhere, layer shifts, detached parts, or the nozzle printing in the air. Why does this happen only after many hours, and how can you stop it permanently? In this video, I'll show you the 5 most common causes of late print failures and the exact fixes professionals use. Welcome to Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printers. Gradual bed adhesion loss. The first reason is slow bed adhesion failure. A print may stick perfectly for the first 3 to 4 hours, but as the model gets taller, the center of gravity increases, small vibrations accumulate, and cooling causes shrinkage forces. Eventually, the print detaches slightly, and the nozzle starts dragging it. Fix. Clean your bed before every long print. Use isopropyl alcohol, warm water, and dish soap occasionally. Then increase adhesion by adding a brim or skirt, increasing first layer width, and lowering first layer speed. For tall prints, a brim is highly recommended. Thermal drift. Another hidden cause is temperature drift. During long prints, hot end temperature may fluctuate. Cooling fans change airflow, and ambient room temperature changes. Even 5 degrees Celsius variation can cause layer bonding issues. Fix. Do these 3 things. Enable PID tuning for your hot end, avoid printing near open windows, and make sure your part cooling fan is consistent. Stable temperature means stable layers. Filament problems. Many overnight failures are actually caused by filament issues. Common problems include filament tangling on the spool, moist filament causing bubbles, and extruder grinding the filament. This slowly leads to under-extrusion, and the print collapses hours later. Fix. Before long prints, check the spool for tangles, store filament in dry boxes, and make sure the spool holder rotates smoothly. Moist filament is one of the underrated causes of print failure. Z-axis binding. If your printer's Z-axis movement isn't smooth, problems appear later in the print. At higher layers, lead screws may bind, wheels may tighten, and frame flex becomes noticeable. This results in layer shifts, uneven layers, and complete print crashes. Fix. Check Z-screw lubrication, Z-axis alignment, and loose frame bolts. Your Z-axis should move freely and smoothly. Slicer settings for tall prints. Some slicer settings work fine for small prints, but fail for tall ones. Examples include high print speed, low infill, and weak supports. Tall prints need extra stability. Fix. For tall prints, reduce speed by 10 to 20%, increase infill to 15 to 20%, and enable Z-hop. This reduces collision risk. Pro tip. If you want to protect long prints, use this trick. Enable power loss recovery or install a spaghetti detection camera. Some firmware can even pause the printer automatically if failure is detected. This can save hours of wasted printing. If your prints fail after many hours, it's rarely random. It's usually one of these: bed adhesion, filament problems, temperature instability, Z-axis issues, or incorrect slicer settings. Fix these and your overnight prints will become far more reliable. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.